With the explosion of sensors both at the consumer and at the medical grade, there's a great opportunity to get closer to patients. At Oracle, we've basically taken our technology, both at the clinical trial stage and the Internet of Things, and really helped to focus on scale. What we really want to do is exploit the right device, the right sensor for a particular clinical trial and not worry about the infrastructure. So it's really about plug and play, plug in that sensor and just get on with the clinical trial and start capturing data for your patient.
And what we'd like to show you is the ability to move data from a Bluetooth-enabled medical device to a mobile application into the Oracle Internet of Things Cloud service and into a health sciences application, Oracle Inform. I've just taken a blood pressure measurement. The measurement shows up on the mobile application such that the patient can see the value in reading, and then that data is transmitted into the Oracle public cloud. You can see the data as it goes by in real time. If you expand on the data here, you can see the patient identifier that is associated with the medical measurement that has been made. In this case, it's a blood pressure reading, 146/91 with a heart rate of 88. This data is then transmitted from the Oracle Internet of Things Cloud service into the Oracle Health Sciences Inform electronic data capture system. And here you can see the measurement has shown up in the case report form, a systolic and diastolic reading of 146/91 milligrams of mercury with 88 beats per minute. This allows us to effectively take data from a patient's real-world environment, transmit it through the Oracle Internet of Things Cloud service into the corresponding health sciences application, such that investigators as well as post-marketing studies can see measurements of the patient as they are reacting in their real-world environment.
Oracle Health Sciences also provides support for the patient-provider experience with use of this remote data. This data can flow into the Oracle Healthcare Foundation, where it's combined with relevant clinical data coming from the medical record system, clinical omics data that's generated in a CLIA lab environment, and administrative and financial data.
One way that integrated data within the Healthcare Foundation may be viewed is through customized dashboards to monitor patient populations. Here we see an example of an operational summary for all patients served within a healthcare organization. This provides a snapshot of efficiency in patient care and may be customized to include any metrics of interest. We have the ability to then focus on specific chronic diseases and monitor relevant data points for each disease. This dashboard provides us with a high-level overview of the status of these patient groups. We also see a list of care coordinators and care providers that are assigned to monitoring these patients in these higher risk groups. We have the ability to further drill into patients associated with a specific team member and assess their current status using a calculated risk score. This risk score is a dynamic metric that is calculated from a variety of customer-defined data points being continually updated in the Healthcare Foundation. This provides an at-a-glance snapshot to identify patient status.
At Oracle, we are excited to blend the best of our technology and health sciences experience to connect patient, physician, and clinical research to drive out new therapies and improved patient outcomes.